future. And your grandchildren have a good future. Sounds good? All right. Now Bangladesh, and we have many really distinguished people here and friends sitting on the panel, and it's great to be back. You're the #1 in the world already in solar home systems. You are the #2 in the world in exporting the garments, but #1 country importing is my country, Germany, already. But one thing that is more problematic is you're the #1 in the world that is at threat from climate change. If we have more problems with climate change, there will be more disasters, more floods, more people suffering. That's why climate change and go green is even more important for you than for any other country. But let's be realistic, it's the Western world, my country, the USA, and the developed countries that have put more burden on the planet than you. So sorry about that. I have to acknowledge that. I think my country, Germany, is trying very hard, but we all live together in one planet. That's why there's no other way than us working together on this subject of climate change. And how we use money is quite interesting. How many of you have solar? How many of you have solar? Okay, some of you. Why have not all of you guys got solar? Maybe some of you think it's too expensive, right? I want to show you my solar pocket solution that costs less than $10 US. I don't know whether you've ever seen this. This is my solar panel in the pocket. You can blow it up. And suddenly it is a solar lantern. And it's a very simple system. You press the button once, you have the small light. You press the button twice, you have the reading light. You press the button 3 times, you have the solar party. Oh no, actually this is the emergency light. But nowadays our green solutions have become so affordable that even you with little money in your pocket can afford them. Okay, if you have a home, you need a bigger solution. But the key question is, what are we doing with our money? What are you doing with your money? Are you healing the planet with your money, or are you part of the problem? You are the consumers. In the future, you are the future of this country. You, the young people, will be the consumers of the future. If you buy green products, then as Professor Shah said earlier on, suddenly the factories will be producing in a green way, and they will be producing the green products. Our demand from the consumers will influence the manufacturers, the businesses. We have too few green consumers. I usually buy all of my things green if it's feasible. You know, most people will say you cannot go green because it's too expensive. I save a lot of money every month because I don't buy the things that I don't need. It saves me a huge amount of money. I don't have a car. It saves me a lot of money. I use public transport. Okay, maybe here in Dhaka, because public transport is not so efficient, as in Kuala Lumpur, it's more difficult to live without a car. But it saves me a huge amount of money. Green living is cheaper. I just built a tiny home in Malaysia. It's completely powered by a solar home system. I use rainwater harvesting. I have a toilet without sewerage pipe. The home will cost me $0 US every month to live in. Green living can be the most cost-effective living. That's why it's good if we should spend a little bit more money on the products that actually last longer. You want to see some more green products that are in here? Actually, guess what this bag is made of. Can any one of you guess what this bag is made of? Sorry? Leather. No, it's not leather. It's much cheaper than leather. This is made from recycled tires. This bag looks very sexy, right? But it's just from some old thrown away tires. In Europe, they sell this bag for €100. So sometimes with green products, you can even make very good business. I'll show you some other green products in here that I have. This is product that I want to give as a gift to our chairman, Lutfer, because he brought me over here this time. This t-shirt, unfortunately not made in Bangladesh, hopefully in the future, is made from recycled plastic bottles. What we see over there can be turned in t-shirt. You can touch it later. It's made from recycled plastic bottles. Here, Lutfer, for you. Can you imagine that you can turn waste into a product that can make you money? You can, in the future, make a living or a business from healing the planet rather than from destroying the planet. This is the possibility now. We live in a time where the banks are providing financing, where there is cost-effective eco-products that are better than the normal products. This is something I bought over there in that shop. This is an eco-friendly product. It's your golden fiber, the jute. Learn to appreciate one of the most amazing eco-friendly natural products that doesn't need much processing, that doesn't need much coloring. This is one of the best products that you have. And this was actually the product that I first came in contact with when I was a youngster. On my potato field in my little village, Bangladeshi jute bags, that is what we were using. The future is green, you can be the solution. I am going to cut my talk short this morning because I'll give another talk at 2:30 in the afternoon. But my main message is, and I will show you more products in the afternoon, you can be the solution. You can use your money wisely. You can even get green financing to start new green products and new green businesses. I invested 12 years ago in an eco-friendly reforestation project in Panama. I paid $17,000 for 1 hectare. Last year I sold 1 hectare for $55,000. Green investment, green technology, green financing can help you make a good living from healing the planet rather than from destroying it. Thank you.